One area in the sketch is a little trickier than the rest. Sketching doesn't have to be hard. Break it down. Start simple and add complexity later. First, focus on the basic shape. Don't worry about the details yet. We'll add them later. After drawing the simpler shape, now let's add the tricky geometry. Instead of drawing it as one complex form, we'll break it into two simple shapes, an elongated hole and a keyhole profile. This makes the sketch much easier to create. As you saw, breaking down a complex sketch into simpler parts makes it a lot easier to handle. Before we finish, there's a mistake in this sketch. Did you notice it? Can you guess why it happened? Leave a comment.